Hi guys, today in this video we know about how many yards of concrete do I need for a 20 by 40 slab. It means you have to calculate the required quantity of concrete for 20 by 40 slab. Suppose this one is your slab 20 feet by 40 feet and the thickness of slab is about 4 inches. This one is thickness is about 4 inches. 4 inches is equal to 0.33 feet, and you have to fill this slab the concrete, and the concrete quantity measured in yards, and the required quantity of concrete is equal to volume of this slab, and volume of this slab is calculated by multiplying all three dimensions in feet. 20 feet multiplied by 40 feet multiply the thickness 0.33 feet, and this will come about 264 cubic feet. It means your question is how many cubic feet of concrete is required for this slab. You need about 264 cubic feet of concrete, but your question asks in yards. Now volume in yards, and if you calculate the required quantity in yards, you simply divide the cubic feet by 27, and this, when you divide this will come about 9.8 cubic yards. It means your question is how many yards of concrete do I need for 20 by 40 slab. You need about 9.8 cubic yards of concrete or 264 cubic feet of concrete for this slab. Thank you.